everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Speak Better English. I'm Mia, and as always, we're so happy you've decided to spend a little time with us today. Whether you're listening while you're driving, walking, cooking dinner, or relaxing at home, thank you for joining us. We hope you're ready to improve your English in a fun and natural way.
And I'm Leo. If your goal is to speak English more confidently, understand native speakers more easily, and enjoy real conversations instead of memorizing grammar rules, then you're definitely in the right place.
Today's episode is called Spoken English Learning Daily English Conversation Practice, and it's going to be packed with useful phrases, natural conversations, speaking tips, and a few challenges for you to try yourself.
Exactly. Imagine you're sitting with two friends in a coffee shop, listening to a real conversation. That's the feeling we're going for today. So grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's improve your English together.
Leo, let's imagine something. You're at a cozy coffee shop on a Saturday afternoon. You're waiting for your coffee, and you notice someone sitting alone at a nearby table. Maybe you'd like to start a conversation. What would you say?
That's a situation many English learners worry about because they think they need the perfect opening sentence. But honestly, you don't. Sometimes the simplest sentences are the best. I'd probably smile and ask, "Hi, is this seat available?"
I love that because it's polite, friendly, and completely natural. If someone asked me that, I'd smile and say, "Yes, of course. Please have a seat."
See how easy that was? No complicated grammar, no difficult vocabulary, just simple English.
Exactly. One thing I've noticed is that many learners try to sound impressive instead of sounding natural. But real conversations usually begin with very ordinary sentences.
That's true. After sitting down, I'd probably introduce myself. "Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you."
And I'd reply, "Hi, Leo. I'm Mia. It's really nice to meet you too."
Notice something? We didn't memorize a script. We're simply being friendly. That's what everyday English is all about.
Now we've introduced ourselves. What happens next? Because this is where many learners get stuck.
Exactly. They know how to say hello, but then silence. Nobody knows what to say next.
So, what's a good question?
One of the easiest is, "Where are you from?" It's simple, friendly, and almost everyone can answer it.
If someone asked me that, I'd probably say, "I'm from Pakistan, but I currently live in Lahore." Notice that I didn't stop after saying Pakistan. I gave a little extra information.
That's a great habit. Instead of giving one-word answers, give the other person something they can respond to. For example, if I ask, "What do you do?" don't simply answer "teacher." Try saying, "I'm an English teacher, and I really enjoy helping students become more confident speakers."
Now I have something interesting to ask about. Maybe I'd say, "That sounds rewarding. What do you enjoy most about teaching?" See how the conversation naturally continues?
You know what separates a good conversation from a boring one?
What's that?
Curiosity. People enjoy talking to someone who's genuinely interested in them.
Exactly. Instead of thinking, "What should I say next?" try thinking, "What would I honestly like to know about this person?"
Let's imagine you tell me you're an English teacher. Instead of changing the topic, I might ask, "How long have you been teaching?" Or, "What inspired you to become a teacher?"
Those are called follow-up questions. They're simple, but they're powerful because they make the other person feel heard.
And here's another tip. When someone answers your question,
don't immediately think about your next sentence. Really listen. Good conversations happen when people listen, not just when they speak.
Let's teach everyone a few expressions that native speakers use every day.
I love this part.
These small phrases instantly make your English sound more natural.
The first one is, that sounds interesting. Imagine someone tells you they recently learned to play the guitar. You could simply say, that sounds interesting. How long have you been playing?
Another great expression is, really, tell me more. It's short, friendly, and it encourages the other person to continue speaking.
Here's another favorite of mine. I completely agree. It's much warmer than simply saying yes.
And if you disagree politely, you could say, I see your point, but I think that's respectful, confident, and very natural.
Leo, we receive this question almost every week. How can I become fluent?
Honestly, there's no magic trick. Fluency comes from daily practice. Even 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference.
But what if someone doesn't have a speaking partner?
Then become your own speaking partner. Describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making breakfast. After breakfast, I'm going to study English. Later this evening, I'll watch a movie.
It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective. You're teaching your brain to think directly in English.
Another fantastic habit is reading aloud. Don't just read silently. Use your voice. That improves pronunciation, confidence, and speaking rhythm all at the same time.
Let's put everything together with a realistic conversation. Ready?
Absolutely.
Hi, is anyone sitting here?
Oh, not at all. Please, have a seat.
Thank you. By the way, I'm Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Actually, yes. I usually stop by after work because they make an amazing cappuccino. What about you?
I love their iced coffee. Especially during the summer. It's so refreshing.
That sounds great. So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I create lessons and help students become more confident when speaking English. How about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I've been working for a marketing company for about 5 years. I really enjoy solving creative problems.
That sounds interesting. What's your favorite part of your job?
Probably learning something new every week. I think that's one of the reasons I still enjoy it.
I completely agree. Learning keeps life exciting.
Let's talk about a few mistakes we hear all the time.
Number 1, giving one-word answers. If someone asks, do you like movies? Don't just say yes. Instead, say, yes, I love action movies because they're exciting and I enjoy watching them with my friends.
Much better. Now the other person has something to respond to.
Another mistake is being afraid of silence. It's okay to pause for a second. Native speakers pause too. Take a breath, think, then answer naturally.
Before we finish, we have a challenge for you.
Pause this episode after each question and answer out loud. Question 1. What did you do today?
Question 2. What's your favorite hobby?
Question 3. What are your plans for this weekend?
Question 4. What's one thing you'd like to improve this year?
And finally, why are you learning English? Don't answer in your head. Speak out loud, even if your answer isn't perfect. Every sentence you speak is another step toward fluency.
Before we go, let's quickly review today's lesson. Start conversations with simple greetings. Give complete answers. Ask follow-up questions. Use natural expressions. Practice speaking every single day. Read aloud. Listen carefully. And don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Remember, nobody becomes fluent overnight. Fluency grows. One conversation, one sentence, and one day at a time.
If you enjoyed today's episode, we'd really love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you face when speaking English? Is it vocabulary, pronunciation, confidence, or understanding native speakers?
And if today's episode helped you, don't forget to share it with another English learner. Learning together makes the journey much more enjoyable.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and most importantly, keep speaking English.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Better English. Take care, everyone.